If you own a service-based business, then this video could be the most valuable 5 minutes you spend all year long. This is so important. I speak to so many companies who work in their business every single day, and what they don't do is they don't build a system that can be automated, but other people can run it for them. And year after year after year, they keep themselves in a business because they essentially are the business. They're stuck in a job that they own, essentially. So let me show you something that's going to be really, really powerful and help you scale fast, just like we have with 47 other solar power companies, plumbers, real estate agents, and other service-based businesses. Okay, so the first thing is what we do is we have a SaaS system. So basically, it's the only system that I know of that's available at the moment on the market that does all of these things all in one place. So we do website builder, forms and surveys, SMS and email marketing, social planner, CRM and automation, workflows and pipelines. I'm going to take you through all of these in 2 minutes. The amount of money that this can save you is, rather than having HubSpot and having Pipedrive and having Zoho and having Zapier and having all of these different programs that you've all got to plug it in together and get them all to work, and then teach. And then when you have get support, they only show you give you help on that particular product. It's just very difficult to set up. And if you've got between 2 and 15 staff, it's a problem, okay? Because you're never going to get out of the situation. So we actually have a system that has all of this all in one platform with an app as well. So it's really, really powerful. Let's take you through this. So the first thing is we have websites. So in websites, we have all of the different pages. But you can actually go in and edit yourself. You don't actually have to get in touch with a developer and get them to do all of the different changes that you might need to make. It's so easy. It's all drag and drop. You just drag it, drop it. You can change anything you want. Very similar to ClickFunnels, but it's in a website, and you have sales funnels as well. Next, so we have forms. You can actually create forms for yourself, all drag and drop, integrate them directly into the website, or we can build them for you, whatever you want. Next, so we also have surveys as well. Surveys where you can actually create a new slide and get people to, fill out a survey, no problem. We also have SMS and email. So in one page, you have the customer's details, contact information, general information, additional information, ask some questions. We have all of the contacts, whether it's text, SMS, telephones, we can even call them from here. We have all the notes in the end. We have everything you could possibly want to keep in touch with these people for each contact. We even have conversations on the left-hand side. It's basically, if anyone leaves you a conversation from Facebook, Instagram, Google, it's all in one place for each individual customer. What we also have is SMS and emails. So we can send out emails and SMSs to the customers for January, February, and keep in touch with them. So your business is at front of mind when they're ready to go, and it's all automated. You don't have to do anything at all. Next, we also have a social planner, very much like HubSpot. It can cost $600 a month just for HubSpot. You can actually add all of your social media posts in there. So all you do is you just schedule, create a post, publish it, and it'll go across all of your social media all in one go. That's what it's so powerful. This. We also have a complete CRM, drag and drop, very, very easy. You can allocate it to different people, all automated. Emails and SMSs go out to the staff and the customers. Very, very easy to use. We can also add a monetary amount when someone actually wins a deal. As I drag these across, it's going to trigger workflows. As you can see, it's just popped in there and populated very, very fast. I've also just got an SMS to say I've just got a new sale. Next, so install a pipeline, so workflows. So just going back there, this is the last one, workflows and pipelines. We have a complete workflow, which has basically opportunities. It's assigned to a user. We send an SMS, internal email. We can send out messages to actual Facebook, put it in a pipeline. Everything is organized. It is so easy to scale. And we also have for the business owner a complete dashboard that has all of your information in here, shows you how many leads you're getting, what your conversion ratio is, everything all in one place on your mobile phone and on your computer. This is one of the best programs I've ever seen. There's nothing out there that has this sort of functionality and is this powerful. So you can actually build a system and take on staff and train them in areas to allow you to scale fast. And this is based on proven results. We've had over 48 customers now, and we've helped them double or triple their revenue in 90 days or less. And we've got 31 5-star reviews of all of our customers who are very happy with what we've done. So feel free to read them, snowballassets.com. We take on, the right people. We need to make sure someone is hungry to really want to grow, because this is life-changing. So go to Snowball Assets or reach out on LinkedIn, whatever you want. And Caroline Douthwaite, you should make it very pretty easy. And we'll have a chat. We'll jump on a quick free call. We normally charge $200 for these strategy calls. At the moment, they're free till the end of the month. Jump on the call. We'll have a chat. We'll see where, how we can actually help you. And we'll go from there. All right. I hope that was helpful. We'll speak to you soon.